Mary Griffin.
And I'm Eduardo Price, and we're part of the Back to School crew.
We're here to tell you about our amazing Cabot Elementary schools.
First, we'd like to introduce you to our awesome principals.
Central Elementary principals Julia Treadway and Macy Leggett.
EASTSIDE Elementary principals Joe Fletcher and Madison Hurley Dar.
Magnus Creek Elementary principals Kelly Bankston and Andrea Neville.
Mountain Springs Elementary principals Mandy Watkins and Tori Harrison.
Northside Elementary principals Haley Beaver and Miriam Berryhill.
Southside Elementary principals Amy Morrow and Melissa Fear.
Stagecoach Elementary principals Kayla Skibba and Toby Sprouse.
Ward Central Elementary principals Coney Reed and Teresa Richardson.
WESTSIDE Elementary principals Frankie Glover and Michelle Atherton.
Cabot Learning Academy principals Kim Griffin and Alex Hale.
Our principals are super excited to meet you and begin another great school year.
Open house is Thursday, August 12th by appointment only. Your teacher postcard will have information on how to sign up for a time to meet your teacher and visit your classroom.
Breakfast and lunch are free again this year. How cool is that? And this is also super cool.
There's no supply fee. The Cabot School District is providing all school supplies. However, we're still asking parents to pay $10 for a class t-shirt.
The only items you need to bring to school are a backpack, a lunchbox, if you plan on bringing your lunch, and a pre-filled water bottle. And don't forget your Chromebook.
And one last thing. If you have a new K-12 student and haven't registered yet, go to the student registration section on our district website. For more information, call Central Office at 501-843-3363.
Remember, the first day of school is Monday, August 16th.
We are so excited for a new school year, and we hope you are too.